Pipedrive is arguably the biggest sales CRM for SMBs in the world. Yet, it doesn't have a native LinkedIn integration. So, how can you integrate LinkedIn natively inside Pipedrive? Well, you gotta use a third-party integration, but I have an even better solution if you watch towards the end of this video. When it comes to solutions for LinkedIn with Pipedrive, I could talk about dozens of them, but I just focus on the best on the market, namely LinkMatch and Surf. If you go on the Pipedrive marketplace, you will see that they're both well ranked on the Pipedrive marketplace and have tons of customers. Basically, what these softwares do is that they allow you to easily add contacts to Pipedrive from LinkedIn using a Chrome extension. Surf in particular also allow you to enrich leads with their valid B2B email address, which is very cool. You can also push all that data into your lead generation softwares like Salesloft or Lemlist. And finally, I think the most powerful thing about Surf and LinkMatch is that they can auto-sync your LinkedIn conversations in Pipedrive without any manual data entry. However, to be able to do all of that, it will cost you $39 per month per user with Surf and about $27 per month with LinkMatch. So technically, you'll have to pay for 2 subscriptions, one for each Pipedrive seat you own and one for each third-party LinkedIn integration seat, which is not very fun. It's also not fun because these softwares are not native to Pipedrive, so they're a bit limited in terms of what they can achieve. If you're truly looking for a sales CRM with a LinkedIn native integration, you should take a look at Breakcold. Why? Because more than half of our customers are people coming from Pipedrive that needed better social selling capabilities. For example, here's a message from someone working at Surf, and here's a message of a customer who turned from Pipedrive to us. We also have tons of case studies with exceptional results. So with that being said, what can Breakcold do? Long story short, with Breakcold you can auto-sync email and LinkedIn activities without any manual data entry. Pretty much like Pipedrive and the third-party integrations, but it's native to the software. You can also manage the sales CRM from LinkedIn using our own Chrome extension. But where it gets super valuable for our customers is that inside Breakcold you can natively leverage the LinkedIn data of your leads to engage them on socials by commenting their posts or chatting with them. All of that for $29 to $59 per month per seat, so you'll have more capabilities compared to Pipedrive and the third-party integrations while also saving money. Beyond the social selling capabilities of Breakcold, you can do many things like monitoring your team or connect it to your favorite sales stack. You can go to breakcold.com and sign up for our 14-day free trial. We don't ask you for your credit card or anything, so it's a no-brainer to test it. Cheers, bye.